Next operator we are talking about is your relational operator. So let me write it here. Relation operator. It is also called as a comparison operator. It is also called as a comparison operator. Comparison operator. So what are the different types of operators we are looking in this relation are? So first is greater than, second is greater than, second is less than, very simple. Third is greater than equal to, fourth is less than equal to. So you can see it is greater than equal to, less than equal to, and the next equality operators there are, you can merge that. So we are looking into relational operator as well as equality operator now. Equality operator, okay. So equality operators are nothing but, in Python we not use only single equal to, but rather than we use two equal to's for equality operator, and then we have a not equal to, that is exclamatory and equal to. So these are the operators we are using. Okay, so let me put that, just give me a second. Yeah, I can see this now. So let us apply that again for our numbers. Now in numbers, very simple. So if I say that, hey, my a is equal to 100 and my b is equal to 80 or 90, for example, and if I say print, can you tell me a is greater than b? And if I say print a is less than, greater than b, okay, so that was less than and this is greater than. And if I say print, hey, can you tell me what is a less than equal to b? Or if you can say print a is greater than equal to b. Okay, so before I run this, I want you to think on what would be the output, in which type would be the output. So whether it would be a string, whether it would be an integer, whether it would be a boolean, complex, what it would be. Just compare your a and b. It will just compare. It will say that, hey, whether a value is less than b, that is 100 is less than 90. If it is less, it will show you true or it will show you false. So here in this case, a value less than b, that is 100 is less than 90. So no, that is wrong. You get a false here. And 100 is greater than 90. Yeah, correct. It is true. And it is less than, you get false again. Here you have greater than, you get true here. So false, true, false. So for this, your output, you get an output in an boolean. You need to remember. And you can apply this relation operator not only for the integers, you can apply for the strings also, you can apply for the boolean also. So we will see that, like how you can apply and relation operator to a string. So let me take a string, for example, a okay, let me take string 1, a different name, and if I say a, and if I say s2, and if I take it b, and if I ask you, hey, can you please check whether s1 is less than s2, or can you check with whether s1 is greater than s2, s1 is greater than s2, or so on. Okay, so if I run this, can you tell or can you think on what would be the output? You will get an output. So if I run this, it will be either true or false. Obviously it will be in boolean, but what is the logic behind this? Why I'm getting a is like b is greater, you can see b is greater, a is less. Why? On basis of what I'm getting this? So here you need to know about what are the Unicode values. So just we will discuss about those Unicode values in the next session. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep learning.